recently subscribed to Archer and Olive's quarterly subscription box. This is the winter edition, which I'll be unboxing here with you today. When I saw the previews of the colors and designs for this theme, Celestial Wonders, I was instantly in love and wanted it. For a little background, these are sent quarterly, so this one was for December 2023, and the next ones would come out in March, followed by June and September, hitting all 4 seasons. They are a bit pricey at $75 per box and $10 for shipping, so about $85 total, but you do get a lot in one of these boxes, as you'll see. In total, you get 8 items in this box, 2 of which are guaranteed to be notebooks of some sort. Starting off with the first item in the white envelope, that was a metal stencil all in the Celestial theme. These are acrylographs, 1.3mm bullet tip pens in 6 metallic colors. Later in this video, I'll test out these markers so you can see how they look. These are decorative tapes, 4 designs total. The first is Golden Galaxy, a 15mm black tape with gold illustrative accents. I love this color combination. It creates a striking contrast. This one is a 9mm lavender background with holographic elements of space. This is one of my favorite colors, so I love this one. The next is Night Sky, a 9mm dark blue sky with stars, a stunning combination. And the last one is a 5mm iridescent tape. This one has a more plastic texture compared to the other ones, which are more washi tape. In this box is a writing pen with white gel ink. This is one item I wasn't really impressed with, especially when you see me testing it out later. It's a nice thought, but the execution wasn't there. This is a journal cover for A5 sized notebooks with a gold vegan leather cover and debossed design. This is also another item I wasn't too impressed with. It kind of reminds me of something I would have enjoyed in middle school. I would have preferred a more simpler design, but it's a nice way to protect one of your A5 notebooks. While there are these flaps inside, you can't actually fit the cover of your notebook in them, so it's more for storing a few paper items. This is a B6 pearlescent dot grid notepad with 160 pages total. I have to say the quality of this notepad is really nice. From the backing of the notebook to the gold embossed elements of the logo and the studs, it's really nice. There are 6 different colored papers ranging from a midnight blue, purple, sky blue, gold, silver, and ivory. One thing to note is the color is only on one side, while the back is white. The pearlescence is really beautiful. You can see how it shines in the light. Up next is one of the dot grid notebooks with 192 pages. The design of the box alone is amazing, with the midnight sky and silver embossed elements, and even how you open it to reveal the notebook. This is definitely one of my favorite items from the entire box, and one of the reasons why I purchased in the first place. I love the lavender linen color with the silver stars dusted across the top half. This is giving me major Lavender Haze Taylor Swift vibes. And from the side, you can see it's a dark notebook with midnight blue pages. I love everything about it, from the interior cover with the silver stars to the color of the dark pages. It's just really beautiful. However, since this is a dark notebook, you will need to utilize different mediums, either the metallic acrylograph pen markers that come with the kit, use white gel pens, or even other paint markers. Personally, I'll really have to think about how I want to use this notebook to create some relevant theme of art. This is where I was testing if the notebook could fit within the cover flaps and realized it didn't. This is the second dot grid notebook. Again, the packaging is beautiful on this with all the gold foil details. This is something new that Archer and Olive doesn't currently offer on site. They mostly only have hardcover notebooks, but this is a softcover notebook with a glittery vegan leather cover. It's super bendy, like your favorite paperback book. It's something different, and it's another one of the items I was excited to receive in this kit. It features bright white pages and the usual ampersand ribbon bookmark. Here I started testing out the white gel pen. You can see how much I'm struggling to get it to work on various papers. I'm not sure if it's just my pen, but I've noticed others have had trouble getting it to work. So this is why I mentioned that it wasn't one of my favorite products from the kit, mainly because it doesn't work. For the acrylograph pens, they're similar to paint markers where you need to press down on the tip for several seconds and allow the ink to run down. Then it's ready to use. I started by testing them out on a craft notebook I already had. Then I moved on to testing them on the midnight blue pages of the lavender notebook. Overall, the contrast is pretty good on this paper. I would say the only one is the space blue that's a bit too close to the color of the paper. Let me know what you think of these subscription boxes. Are you subscribed? Do you think it's worth it? Personally, I do, but only if you really love the theme's design. I'll be curious to see what next quarter's design will be. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, you might want to check out one of these next.